Thinking of scaling your business or launching a startup in the UAE, business loans can be the financial push you need. In today's video, we will explore the different ways to get a business loan, eligibility criteria, maximum loan amounts, and the documents required. From banks to government-backed options, let's dive in. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more tips on building your business in Dubai. Ways to get a business loan in the UAE. There are several avenues to secure business financing in the UAE. First option is traditional banks. Major players like Emirates NBD, ADCB, Dubai Islamic Bank, Commercial Bank of Dubai, Mashreq, Reg Bank, NBQ offer diverse business loan products. Second option is government-backed lenders. Institutes like Emirates Development Bank support SME and startups often with favorable terms. Third alternative and fintech lenders such as Deem. Companies like Deem offers loan up to 1 million dirhams depending on your revenue and credit profile. So what is the minimum requirement to get a business loan? Most banks want to see your business running for at least 1 to 2 years. Also, you will need a decent annual turnover. The exact number depends on the bank and loan amount, but often starts with around 1 million dirhams. And of course, a valid UAE trade license is a must. What are the banks in Dubai that provide business loans? Some banks in UAE that provide business loan, first you need to know what you are looking for. The UAE offers a few key types of loans. We have the conventional loan, which is a standard lump sum with a set repayment plan. Then there's Islamic financing, which is a Sharia compliant and is based on profit sharing and not interest. And if you are a smaller company, don't worry, there are specialized SME loans designed just for you. So in this video, we are discussing 3 banks in the UAE that offer business loans to small business owners. First option is Dubai Islamic Bank. Their business loan is known as Al Islami Business Finance, and the loan size is up to 2 million dirham, and it's a Sharia compliant financing based on Sukuk Murabaha or Salam structures. They offer flexible repayment periods ranging from 6 to 36 months, and their profit rates vary based on tenure and whether you are a new or existing customer. For example, if the tenure of the loan is 6 months, for new customers the rate is 16.5% per annum, and for existing customers it's 15% per annum, and so on. The rate varies according to the tenure. And the eligibility criteria for taking a business loan from Dubai Islamic Bank: generally, companies must be UAE incorporated with at least 1 to 2 years in operation and with a minimum annual turnover of 1 million dirhams. Second option is Commercial Bank of Dubai. Their loan products include business installment loan and term finance with collateral free lending. Credit limits extend to 1 million dirhams for new customer and increasing up to 2 million for top-ups or buyouts. They have flexible tenure from 12 to 48 months with fixed monthly installments. Repayments are auto-debited from business accounts. If we talk about the key features of this loan, they don't require any collateral or security. Top-up facility is available after 12 months. Buyouts, transfer of existing loan from other banks option is available and supported. They offer fast processing with decisions often within 48 hours. If we talk about the fee, they have a processing fee of 2 to 2.5% with an early settlement fee of 1.5% if the loan amount is 3 million dirhams, and repayment tenures are up to 48 months. The third option is Emirates NBD. Their business loan typically go up to 300,000 dirhams and the minimum loan is 50,000 dirhams, and they have a flexible loan tenure of up to 36 months. So interest rate is, not more information is available, so the interest rate they offer is attractive, so it depends upon your credit history and credit score. So if we talk about the general eligibility for taking a business loan, most banks want to see your business running for at least 1 to 2 years. You will need a decent annual turnover. The exact number depends on the bank and the loan amount, but often starts around 1 million dirham. And of course, a valid UAE trade license is a must. Now for the paperwork, get these ready to save yourself a headache later. Your trade license, company registration documents, bank statements, usually for the last 6 to 12 months, your passport and Emirates ID, and for bigger loans, you might need your audited financials and a strong business plan. And that's it. Getting a business loan in Dubai might seem daunting, but with the right info, it's a manageable process that can unlock the next level for your business. What's the next step for your business? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.